Hello everyone, so welcome to Teacher Matrix and Tutorials, and for today's video we will be multiplying numbers by 20. For instance, we have 15 times 20. Usually we multiply 15 and 20 using the standard form or in vertical form. 15 times 20, that is 0 times 5 is 0, 0 times 1 is 0, 2 times 5 is 10, 0, carry 1, 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So add, we have 0, 0, and 3. So we have 300. Now here is another way of solving this problem, 15 and 20. So we all know that 20 is equal to 2 times 10 or 10 times 2. So we can multiply 15 and 20 using the factors of 20. For instance, 15 times, you can make use of this first, times 2. 15 times 2 is 30. And get this 30, multiplied it by the next factor, which is 10, and that is 300. Here is another example. We multiply 23 and 20. So again, factor 20 by factors of 20 is 2 times 10. So we multiply 23 first by 2. So you can have it in vertical form. 23 times 2, that is 2 times 2 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. And then the product of 23 and 2, multiplied it by the next factor, which is 10, and the answer is, bring down 0, 1 times 6 is 6, 1 times 4 is 4. So the answer is 460. Follow for more.